Meaning of gas ring.
Gas ring.
Gas ring.
Gas ring.
Gas ring. A gas ring refers to a burner on a gas stove or cooker that produces a flame for cooking. It is typically made of metal and has small holes on the top surface where the gas escapes and ignites when lit. The heat produced by the flame can be adjusted using the stove control knob, allowing the user to regulate the cooking temperature. Gas rings are a common feature in many modern kitchens due to their ease of use and efficiency. Overall, they are an essential component of gas stoves that enable us to cook our food with ease and convenience.